Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily change your default browser in Xiaomi. So for doing this you just need to open settings, and in settings you need to scroll down to your Google, sorry, not Google but apps. Here you can see apps, you just click on apps, and on apps you choose manage apps and just click here on the upper of the screen, and here you will see default apps. Just click on default apps, and here you will find browser. So it's fourth line. You can see here browser and name of browser. So it's by default, so we will change it by clicking here and choosing. I also install Google Chrome, so I just choose Google Chrome, and you see now that it changed from browser to Google Chrome. So now by default it will open not browser but Google Chrome. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.